Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Blacksea, and I have another video for you guys. Today, I want to talk about Crypto.com, Crocoin, take a look at Bitcoin, because, guys, we are seeing a very nice bounce right now, although it seems awfully quiet. We're going to talk about that. So without further ado, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. Let's hop into this video. So, guys, right now, Bitcoin is trading just barely below $67,000. Trading at 66.9, about down about 0.5% on the day, kind of somewhat cooling off on the weekend after we had that large move yesterday. We had quite the move to 67,000, and really it started on Thursday leading into Friday, but we're just cooling off over the weekend. It usually plays out this way. If we were to expect another big move, I would say it's probably tomorrow on Sunday. But Bitcoin dominance trading at 54.29%. When you exclude stablecoins, we're basically at 56.3%, about that, give or take a few percentile points. But that being said, we did reach that 57% level once again. The real question is going to be if Bitcoin decides to make another leg up here to, say, 70,000 and make its way to new all-time highs. That's when I'm going to be calling for a 60% Bitcoin dominance level, especially if it happens in a very swift impulse wave type of movement. But all in all, some of these altcoins are catching up. Solana over 170, Ethereum over 3,000 again, which is still bleeding out pretty significantly versus Bitcoin, but I like to see Ethereum stay above 3K. But all in all here, guys, there's some liquidity moving into the altcoins as we're seeing Bitcoin trade sideways. I do want to talk about Crocoin, where Crocoin's at. I want to talk about all these Cronos meme coins. Is it over? Is there going to be a Titan that will be flipped? We're going to talk about that shortly. But before we do that, go follow me on Instagram at 333Blacksea. If I can reach 300 followers by the end of tomorrow night, I will give away $300 worth of Crocoin, CAW, Bitcoin, whatever crypto you want to one of you guys. So go follow me on Instagram, 333Blacksea. Okay, so I want to talk about this tweet. I tweeted yesterday from 333Blacksea on Twitter. I said, strange throughout this Cronos mania, not seeing Corgi AI move much. You know, I haven't been hearing much about Corgi AI, guys. And we've been seeing some real liquidity moving around in the Cronos space. And it's still holding up over a $350 million market cap. A $350 million market cap. That's incredible, guys. Call only reached, I believe, 110 at one point. Still very significant, but that's not 350 million. I believe that Corgi AI even reached close to $1 billion. And I said, will it be replaced with a new Crocoin meme? What do you think, CrowFam? And I tagged some of the guys. I tagged Crypto Kip, Oscar Ramos, Gold Pony, and the Crypto Report, obviously. But I want to know what you guys think. Corgi AI did not move when the community tokens were moving. Now let's pick that apart. Is Corgi AI a community token? I'm going to say probably not. Probably not. And that's why I do believe that we probably see throughout this bull market, this next leg up, and we actually get that macro cycle altcoin season, we probably see some Cronos memes flip Corgi AI. I think that is on the table. I think that is definitely on the table. And if we scroll below some of the comments, you know, it's not a coin of the people. It's not a coin of the people. Tutu Steel says it. It's true. Corgi AI is not a coin of the people, like CAW and all these other meme coins that are community tokens. But let's talk about Crocoin a little bit, because Crocoin trading sideways, to be expected. A little bit of a bounce here, but guys, Bitcoin needs to steal the show. Bitcoin needs to be in the spotlight. Bitcoin needs to make its move and say, hey guys, we're going up. And it needs to be the king. And after that happens, we actually get that macro cycle altcoin season. Be prepared, guys. Be prepared. Be prepared for Crocoin to make those large impulse waves to the upside. And I know I always have to throw this out there because it's so important to say this. When we see Crocoin start to make big moves to the upside, I'm going to say it. Be prepared for the overall bull market to be close to an end. Because, in my opinion, Crocoin is a fantastic indicator and signal for when the retail investors are here and when the retail altcoin mania happens. Not meme coin mania that's been going on for probably the past year, honestly. But really when the bigger cap altcoins start to move, that's when you know. That's when you know. But I do expect Crocoin to make its way back above 20 cents, back above 50 cents. I expect that to happen, guys. We just need to be patient. We need to see Bitcoin play out here. And let's talk a little bit about Bitcoin. Let's talk a little bit about Bitcoin here. Where are we? We're looking at the monthly. The red dot is gone on Market Cipher. Are we out of the woods? Are we headed to 70,000? Are we headed to new all-time highs? In my opinion, if we get this weekly candle close above $67,000, it's going to look very good for the bulls in the short term. It's going to look very, very good for the bulls. Now, if it closed below probably around 65,000, then, well, we're just still in the chop zone, guys. We're not out of the woods yet until we get these weekly candle closes above the weekly. But the daily looks pretty good. We need to close above that 67K, though. It's an important level to start to see that curvature play out to the upside. And if we do get that, the closures above 67,000, guys, I think 70K is the next step. And once we reach 70K on a weekly candle closure, we're going to new all-time highs sooner than people expect. But I do want to emphasize, we've been talking about this for a while now, that if that does happen, that we start to make our way to new all-time highs, instead of sideways chopping for a few months, you guys need to be prepared for the bull market to be cut kind of short. Not going into 2026, not going into deep 2025, in my opinion. Let me know in the comment section below what you think about that. I'm very curious to hear what you guys have to say. If you think that if we start to bounce up, the bull market's going to get cut short. It's so crazy talking about that when we're looking at this blue line right here, which is the halving, which was only a few weeks ago. Pretty incredible. If you like this type of content, please hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel right now, guys. Almost at 18,500 subscribers. Thank you so much for that. Also, check out some awesome referral links down below. We have a $4,100 sign-on bonus to Femex. All you got to do is go in the description box below this video, click the link, deposit, trade a little bit, get a bunch of free money. That's all I got for you. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.